Introduce highlight features and quick overview of ULANZI Smart LED Light Bars, RGB Ambience Backlights, RGBICWW TV Ambient Lighting Music Sync Kit App Control 16,000 colors. 27 preset scenes and timing function LED play light bar for gaming, PC, TV, room. Short highlight features or overview summary are included. Ambient lighting adopts innovative RGBICWW technology to display rainbow-like light effects created from 16 million colors. Boost your entertainment experience with 27 dynamic presets or make your own light effects with DIY mode. Upgrade your home lighting decor and give yourself a more ambient viewing experience. Create the atmosphere you need with 27 kind of dynamic scene modes to choose from. Each mode displays different colors and light effects, helping you fully immerse in your art worlds. With an internal high-sensitivity mic, ULANZI GL01 RGB light bar can react and move to the beat of your music, movie, and gaming audio for an immersive sound and light experience like no other. No hub needed. Manage your light bars easily with app, scan the code to download. Moreover, you'll have access to a timer function, DIY colors, music sync, and scene modes. Optimize your TV viewing at the touch of a button. Install light just the way you want. Lay flat, stand vertically, or mount behind a monitor or TV using the included brackets. Your space, your lighting styles. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews of ULANZI Smart LED light bars, please visit the link in YouTube description. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.